today we're at PCC, which is Portmore Community College, where we are showing you our ambassadors, which is a part of our JNWay tertiary institution. If you go on jnbank.com, you can see the different accounts that we have. You can see the schools that are qualified, plus you can see the different items that you need to open this account.
So we have a lot of products here today. Seven Seas has been here for a while. It is known, it is a household name. So you can just go to your pharmacist and any item it is that you desire, whether it is that you want omega-3 fish oils or it is that you want vitamin C's, we have those.
So today we have our Arm & Hammer products. We have everything discounted. So our most selling product is our Arm & Hammer toothpaste, our OxyClean, and our deodorant.
The release is one of those shows that I think exposing colleges and schools across Jamaica, and I think that it is good because you're seen internationally and locally, so persons are exposed to what our schools have to offer. And as you can see from the release, our students are very, very talented.
One more trials and troubles that people face day by day, trying to find a way.
Well, the college tour is a good thing, you know, because it's not every day schools get top upcoming artists, top established artists, so it's a good look, you know.
Come in a little boathouse, she no want left. Fill up in a little boathouse.
Well, the release tour is a great thing, you know, because the college people, them don't know, them work so hard and them need need entertainment to use in them college, so you don't know. It's a great, great thing.
We got the flavor so hard to the feet, so can't let them like it, them share on my shit. Up move, when I say them, up move.
Trust me, the release college show is like, wow. It's another platform to showcase my talent. I mean, it is like the bomb.
It's
a great tour. You know, it's nice, it's exposure, the kids, the students are having fun, interacting, so it's a nice event.
From your city, you see cash. Why if you know that slack yard when we shop, all in me corner. Y'all easy to shake, regular she won't stop. Come and talk about she hot, but she what?
I just don't want to perform. I actually, you know, I want to, like, by the end of this tour, I'm supposed to be an entrepreneur. You know?
Yeah, them a fenola nada. Boy, them fenola nada.
The tour is, you know, getting better as we go by. This is the second one we actually been on since we start. It's a master and it look good so far.
Learn to communicate, my brother.
I'm going to mind the college tour go straight till next year. I swear, because I really like it. I like the good work that I'm putting right now and things. So can you promote Big Pop and Simple Child and everything. So release, good thing this now. Keep it up. Don't stop, please, and make sure next year it'll get bigger and better.
Pull up. My name is singing song, I'm going to sing, I'm singing that man. What do you think?
The release Innovation Tour is a good thing, you know what I mean? Because you can make artists like me forward out, come perform for the fans and see it. As you can see, when we run out, the crowd get mad. Big up the release show.
The release college tour is awesome. You know, we get to go inside of these colleges, people who can't afford to see us on the big stage, and these kids who have to be studying hard would just come and would just represent and show them our face and get to know us up close and personal, and it is great. I love it.
Yo, what up, it's a boy, Mr. Lex on the release tour now. You know, it's the college tour 2019 and it's crazy. We just done the Portmore. That was sick, you know, the audience was amazing. It was fun and we're looking forward to the next one tomorrow, so see y'all on the next stop.